guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia, for those of you stopping by for the very first time. Today I will be transforming or upcycling or restoring, not necessarily restoring, but upcycling this pedestal table. I had picked it up at a local Value Village for $8, which I thought was a great deal. It is very heavy, solid wood piece, but I really don't like the orangish brown color that it's on, that it is now. So I will be painting it with chalk paint, and I will be using French linen chalk paint. And then, let's see, this is better. So French linen chalk paint, which I will paint the whole piece with, and then I will accent just a couple things with dark wax, and then I'm going to clear wax it. And the brush that I'm using, I can no longer find to link down below, so I have brushes that I've linked in my Amazon store that are good, just as good as this one. So make sure you go, if you're interested, check out my Amazon store under chalk painting supplies, and I will have the Sloan chalk paint linked in a separate link. So the first thing that I'm gonna do, because there is no sanding required, and I checked the piece, it doesn't have any obvious things that need to be smoothed out. I will just give it a good cleaning, but depending on how that sticker right there is, I might sand that down, but I'm hoping that a damp cloth will clean it up. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to make sure your piece is clean of anything on it. If you have to, you might want to give it just a light sanding if there's sticky stuff on it to take it off. But other than that, you're good to start painting. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna clean it first, and then I'm gonna start painting. And I will most likely be applying 2 coats. So let me give you a little bit of a close-up. This will need about 2 to 3 hours to dry before I apply a second coat. So this had now 2 good coats on, and I'm going to let this dry for another about 2 hours, and then I'm going to move on to waxing. So I'm going to start using the wax now, and I'm just using the dark any Sloan wax, and I'm going to put it in just into these little crevices and the little designs, and as well at the bottom here, just to accent those a little bit more. So at this point I have decided that I was going to actually dark wax the whole leg, not just the accents, because I love the way it was turning out. So I just continued throughout the whole leg. I absolutely love the way the legs and the bottom turned out of the table, and I was contemplating whether I should do the same for the top, and actually did decide to wax the top as well. So I have decided to stain the top as well, as you saw, and I absolutely love the way this turned out. I will be adding the clear wax once this dark wax had time to cure a little bit, just maybe an hour or so, and then I'm gonna let the clear wax cure for a couple days, and then I'll just buff it out. So if you would like to see how I apply clear wax, I will have all of my videos linked down below. You can check it out so I don't repeat myself. But clear wax is important to apply because it is a protective layer. So it's like almost like sealer, and I use it on all my furniture that I redo, and it does make the furniture last and protects it for a lot longer. I can't stop looking at my dog. He's making me laugh, so it's hard to concentrate when he's laying like that right there. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and let me know if these are the type of videos you enjoy watching, because I will have a couple more coming your way. So if you're new, make sure you subscribe and have your notification bell on so you don't miss out any of my upcoming uploads. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.